Hello, I'm Jessia, the engineering sales from Top Heater, and welcome to our Canton Fair live stream. And on behalf of Top Heater, here I will represent you the heating element business. So by understanding who we are, what benefit you can get when you buy heater from us, I believe you can get one more good option in your supply chain. So as you can see in the script, and there are Top Heater and DH here, and actually these two are both of our brand names. So Donghai as a business group, and we have several business units, and DH is one of them, and mainly produce the heating element for domestic appliance. So let's begin. And this representation will include 5 parts. So about the profile and our strength and our clients and product, and the final is the contact. So actually this representation will last about 15 minutes, and I will explain you more details when I walk you through this PowerPoint. So let's start. First is the profile. So who we are, you might wonder, and our factory is located in Zhejiang province. So we start up in 1995. So till today, we have the experience for over 2 decades. So I can say we are very professional with rich experience. And our main business is OEM. We tailor for you, we produce as your design. So if you deal with the heater for home appliance, like for the washing machine, for the kettle, for the iron, for the induction cooker, electric cooker, then yes, we are the right supplier you are looking for. So next, let's have a detail about certificate. So of course we have ISO 9000 quality management system certificate. We also have 14,000 environment management certificate. And we also understand that the safety is the priority factor you will concern. So most of our heaters are covered by the UL, VD, CQC rules, so you don't have to worry about our safety issue. So next, let's come to have a look at our factory organization. So you can see we have general manager, we also have supervisors and many departments. And here I'd like to point out that we have some exclusive departments, such as for the quality, we have quality department, we have the engineering department, and we also have the machine department. So you can see we have a very refined management because we are not small workshop. We have over 800 staff here, and our business is in scale. Let's have more details about our staff. So you can see we have 8% QC personnel here. If you are familiar with the quality system, I believe you will agree that a QC system is very important during a factory routine production. So we have to guarantee every unique heater we deliver to you is qualified. And we also have the R&D team. So we have 6 people here. Most of them are bachelor degree. So it's very educational. Let's have a more detail about our quality system. Of course, our ISO 9000 quality system, so from material incoming to the in process and to the finished item and outgoing, we also have the quality engineering. And for the environment management sector, we have internal inspector and auditor. So here comes our annual turnover. So as you can see, 2 years ago, our annual turnover has reached 54 million US dollars. So it's not RMB, it's US dollars. And from the pillar, I can say during the last 10 years, actually we have an increasing growth. And we'd like to say thank you to every client who support our business and grow up with us during last 10 years. And we are happy and pleased to welcome you on board, and we hope we can work with you in the future. So let's come to part 2 about our strength and what benefit you can get and while you're working with us. The first one is the sufficiency production capacity. So as you can see here, we can produce about 100,000 units heater here. So it means we can support your big order, shorter lead time. So on-time delivery is very important. And behind this, there are a vast investment on the production line and equipment. So let me give you more details. First, you can see we have the exclusive production line for some heaters, such as for the high temperature and dry heat heater, washing machine heater, induction cooker heater, and some aluminum casting heater. Also, we have for the kettle plate, and these heaters are one of our strengths. Besides this, we also have many universal equipments. So you can see here, from the initial resistance wire and the angel powder filling and the tube shrinking and to the final shape forming, and we have many equipments. And here I'd like to address your attention on the annealing equipment. So we have 7 annealing furnace. It's furnace, not a small machine, it's furnace. So I think it's a very strong proof that for our high production capacity. So let's have more information about our lab. Of course, a series test will be conducted on our heater before outgoing, such as the high pot test, the resistance test, and so on. And about our lab, and let me share you a very special qualification. It's called the TUV UL TDAP Witness Lab qualification. And according to what I have learned, only a few of the heater manufacturer can win this, and we are one of them. So next, let's have more details about the equipment. So these machines are taken in our factory. We have a lot of equipment. And also we have the CNC machine. It's for very precise production. So let's come to part 3 about what client we serve. You can see here is the milestone of our clients. So in 2006, we started business with Set Group and Camco. So 2 years later, we win the business from Electrolux. So all of them, till today, the business is ongoing. So then we have the Chemco, we have the Super in China, and we have the George Rush in Japan, and we also have the Arçelik in Turkey, Panasonic in China, and HD Supply in North American market. In Korea, we also have Daewoo. So these are the famous brands. Oh, of course, except for these famous brands, we also serve many middle-scale companies like the trader and all wholesaler, retailer. So we are very happy to work with them. So if you are one of them, please kindly send your requirement to us, contact with us, and we are looking for a long-term business with you. So you can see these are the famous brands in China or in some overseas market. Let's come to part 4 about what we can produce. So this is the kettle, right? The kettle heating plate, and if you want to wear with the body, we can supply. This is the hot plate, so for the stove. About the oven. Next is the radiant heater, a mica warmer, a rice cooker heater. So the casting heater for your garment care, your iron, and or steamer generator. So this is the coil heater for the stove. It's very common in North American market. For the induction cooker, so this coil induction heater we OEM for Electrolux. The mica warmer. So for the washing machine and some clothes dry heater. And for the refrigerator, so this is the bake element for your oven, for your barbecue heater. And except what I just showed you, actually we have other more products, and for more details you can visit our website here. We can produce more than what I just showed you. And in our website we also have a live stream schedule, because we are going to give you more representation in the coming 5 days, and you can go and visit our schedule, because we are stick to the schedule, and so you can follow us on time. So maybe you want to send us the drawing, or you want to send us sample. So what is our address? What is our email? Here, let me give you the information. So as you can see here, our factory is in Zhejiang. So if you are come from domestic market, you can contact. If you are from overseas market, so please contact us in Guangzhou, because we also have an office in Guangzhou. You can see our email address, our phone number in our website. If you have planned to Guangzhou, welcome to contact us. Maybe we can meet in Guangzhou, because we have some professional people here who has good English. We can fully understand your requirement, and of course our communication will be very smooth. So I believe as top one of top 5 heating manufacturer in China. We have a sufficient production capacity, and we also have reliable quality control, and we have the skillful engineering ability and good service. I believe we are the reliable supplier you can count on. So if you have inquiry, welcome to contact us, and we are looking to hear from you. And I believe the representation will be finished here. So thanks for your watching, and we will see you later. Goodbye.